Trying to get my strumming better. Unfortunately, I want to get myself strumming, so observe my improve my strumming. So a good song for me to strum to is in the Aeroplane Over the Sea by Neutral Milk Hotel. And I'm just going to put the metronome on and just try to get into pay special close attention to the strumming hand. I'm going to try to play with the higher dynamics in the sound of the guitar. Still have a long ways to go in reaching my potential on the guitar, and this will help me a little bit. So here goes fast. Annoying. Metronome's a bit obnoxious, but I can focus in on it. Here we go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. when I strum, when I listen with my left ear, for some reason, it sounds better than when I listen with my right ear. And I also find that, so for some, I try to like, I'm trying to reach a high potential, reach my highest potential playing. I find that one thing that helps me practice is listening to the clicking of the so to listen to the clicking of the pick on the then listen to the also listen to the timbre of the strings. So it's more bassy down there, and it's more trebly up there, so I'm trying to get trying to juggle those different those different timbres as I strum. So we want to get some good. I want to try to get some good. Just so that the sound waves are going. And so, and then and then a third dynamic to keep in mind that I'm trying to keep in mind is to like how hard I hit the strings. So like if I want to hit it with more force, with greater force and lesser force, switching between those two. So when I'm strumming, there's like three things going on while I strum. One thing is the treble to bass, and then there's the of course the sound of the keeping in time, keeping the rhythm nice and even and steady and not too broken up. And then third, trying to be harder and then softer. So I might but not quite so black and white as that. So it might be I know this isn't the exact strumming of how they play it on the album Neutral Milk Hotel. In the Aeroplane Over the Sea is the name of the song. So I'm just trying to have a strumming practice. Also, I'm trying to keep this arm nice and loose, so I can get good, good whip. So I can get a good whip on the string when I'm playing, and not get my arm too tired, and just kind of dance with it, get a good momentum going and a good energy in that arm. So there's a number of things to think about when practicing strumming, and I just thought I'd talk about that and reflect on that. Thanks for listening. Thank you. Oh.